No, you're not.
Mommy. Mommy.
Think you learned your lesson now? This is what my little 3-year-old does when she spits at her brother or at us when we get after her. She likes to spit. So we make her spit in the sink. Maybe that'll teach her a lesson. So, do you think you learned your lesson now? No answer, so you gotta keep spitting. Have you learned your lesson? You gonna spit anymore? Look at me. Look at me. Or you can keep spitting. Go ahead and keep spitting then. I want you to look at me. You gonna keep spitting? You gonna spit at your brother? Look at me. It's not funny. I'm not putting up with that spitting. You gonna stop? You gonna stop spitting? Say, I'm gonna stop.